Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I am actually going on a no-buy. Today is January 1st of 2020, and this is going to be my no-buy year. And I've already stopped all subscription boxes. I did that last year in October. I canceled everything that I had coming, so no more subscription boxes, so nothing new coming in. The only exception to my no-buy is when I run out of stuff like cleanser, whatever. Once I'm 100% out of it, I will purchase again. So, um, yeah, let's see how it goes. I'm hoping that I can do this. I'd really like to work on my rather large collection of things. So, yeah, that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoy this journey, coming on this journey with me. So, yeah, click subscribe if you'd like to subscribe to my channel. We'd love for you to join the fam. Um, Click the notification bell if you like more notifications from me. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.